Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we're out here with the 2013 Dodge Dart. I need to put some LED headlights in this thing. I'm probably going to start door dashing a little bit in the evenings, and I'm old and I just can't see as well as I used to. So the stock halogen headlights are going to have to go, and I picked up some 9012 LED headlights from Rimthin, and I will leave a link in the description. And so I'm going to show you what these things, how bright they are. Before, let's see, let me turn my light off. All right, turn the light off. So here they are. That's what they look like. We are in super night mode on my camera, so but that's a before. They're not super duper bright. They're okay, but I just need all the light I can get. So that super white light is what I'm looking for. So tomorrow morning, we're going to get on this. I'm going to show you a real quick and easy way to install these headlights, and I'll show you what they look like when we're finished. Found these Rimthin LED bulbs on Amazon. These are 9012s. That's what you're going to need for the Dart. And let's open these up. See what kind of quality we've got. These are about half the cost of the other ones, so that makes me feel good. Hopefully they're nice and bright. Packaging is sufficient for what we need, and that's just to keep the bulbs. They got a little fan in there, 9012. So I guess that's it. They look like LED bulbs. I mean, what else am I supposed to do here? So on these Darts, real easy. You don't even have to pop the hood. You just turn your wheel towards the inside of the car. So depending on which side you're working on, we're working on the driver's side. So I just turn my wheel in, and you'll see this little compartment, like a little trap door. Pop that off, and you'll see you've got access to your headlights. So simply just go in, pull it a little quarter of a turn to the left, pops open. Now you got access to your bulb. Pull that bulb out, throw the other one in, and you need to check polarity on these just to make sure before you put everything back in that the light is positive, negative, all that kind of stuff. Not going to hurt it if it's backwards, just not going to work. All right, well, here's the stock headlights. These are just the regular old halogens. I want to show you what these look like compared to the LEDs when we get them in tomorrow night, and hopefully it's a pretty big difference. That's a big difference, I'd say. You know, these things are so much cheaper than just buying regular bulbs anymore. I mean, you can't even go into AutoZone and buy one bulb for what you can pay for new LEDs. So I would definitely look at these. Pretty damn good deal, and a lot brighter, and my windshield is still fogged up, but I think you get the point. So pick a pair of these up. I don't think you'll be upset about it.